pin. Alright, it's fall in Ohio. I'm going to do an opening of my Fish Ohio pin. I caught a big crappie in the spring, so I'm going to open up the envelope that they mailed me and walk through the process. I'll link the website if you want to do this in the future, but it's an honor system, so let's get to the package. Here's the letter I got in the mail. You can see who it's from in the corner there. And I caught the fish in May. Got a little wind out here. And I actually printed this off their website after I self-enrolled for the fish, which was a big crappie. So I'm gonna open this up. Cut my head out a little bit. All this stuff is well away. And Fish Ohio congratulations card. And it shows all the sizes. I'll pause the video to read that. Another envelope, padded envelope. And here's the pin, which is a, it's like a walleye. Oh, make my dog. Then again, the pins aren't specific to the actual fish that you catch each year. They do a certain pin or a species of fish each year. I think last year it was gar, and the year before I think it was smallmouth bass. I can't open this up. Oh, there it is right there. There's the pin. Pretty cool. So, honor system. My crappie size was 14.5 inch, and I took a picture. You can upload a picture on the website when you do your enrollment for it, and then it attaches to the certificate that you can print out. It's a PDF file. So that's it. Hopefully this helps somebody. The link for Fish Ohio will be in the description. And I think it's worth the time to do it if you pay for your fishing license, especially if it's a small kid that you're taking fishing for the first time, because it's kind of neat getting something in the mail for the little guys and gals. I'm about to call it, Finn, for the season. Beautiful out here. No wind, a lot of boats. But I haven't gotten a nibble. I lost a big fish back here, and I've caught a big fish back here. Last time I was out here, I missed a big one, line snapper, which I think it was a muskie. So we gotta hit this spot a couple of times. Fishing for crappie, nada.